Hey guys, it's Gabriel Brown again. Today I want to give you some actionable tips that you can use that can potentially help you with some issues you may be having with some consumer files. Let's do rent bureaus, okay? I told you that I was homeless at one time when I first moved to Las Vegas. I had an eviction on my credit report. So I wasn't able to get myself a place to stay. And then I had a lot of challenges. I told you I had about 49 negative notations on my report as well. So once I did the credit repair to get my credit reports cleaned up, my scores popped up to about a 715. But I still had the consumer file that was reporting that I had an eviction. So I wasn't able to get my own place. So I ended up living in a roommate scenario with 3 other people. But after I found the actual consumer file that was restricting me from getting my own place, I essentially froze that file. But because I was in credit repair, I also did credit repair or consumer file repair, okay? And got the negative notation that was on the consumer file deleted. And that notation essentially was an eviction. But I wasn't able to figure out immediately which consumer file was the property management company using to find out I had an eviction. So once I figured that out by researching all of the consumer files, and again, these are the consumer files that I compiled for the Wealth Score system. So once I found the exact consumer file that had the eviction up there, I did repair, consumer file repair I should say, or credit repair, and then I got the eviction deleted, and then I froze that consumer file and went back to looking for an apartment. And I got approved. So I went from eviction to homeless to consumer file repair, credit repair, which is a part of the Wealth Score system. Then I got into a roommate scenario. Then I moved into a condo, then into a townhome, then to the city center to a luxury condo that was worth over $1 million. And then to this home here, which is about 12,000 square feet, all right, which is my family home. And I even would like to tell you that I needed some Wealth Score repair to get into this house, because as you go up, this is a $2 million house, as you go up in the amount of debt or the liability increases, you will have to deal with some more consumer files, okay, or credit repair, depending on how your credit is, and the Wealth Score system, okay? So what would be the actionable tip today? Find out what consumer file is being reviewed by the creditor that you're applying with, and either freeze the file, okay, or do credit repair or consumer file repair to get the item removed, okay, and then go back and apply for that property that you're looking to move into. That's my actionable tip today. Hit the link below, schedule a time for a free call with me, all right? It'll only take 5 or 10 minutes. Just hit the link below.